फ्लर्टिंग देखी
My
दोनों की?
eyes are blessed.
शूट कर रहे हैं आप? थोड़ा सा साइड से फोटो नीचे शूट करना बहुत सही है।
Tell me when, Kabir, when you have her. Huh? So we'll go. Hi, 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 hi. I hope you guys like the unit. You know, it's the beginning. आमी बांग्ला बोलते पारी ना बुझतो ठीक है okay let's go for it now huh? So I'll lead the count, you all lead it with me. We go 9 to 1 and we press play. There's one.
This is huge moment. Hello. रणवीर प्लीज उनका कर दो
Chance to be with your stars, people.
मैंने भी दिया Speaking about Dil and Pyar, speaking about Dil and Pyar, as you know, Shiva, as you guys know, Shiva is incomplete without his Shakti, as you guys know. And Shiva's Shakti is so beautiful people of this beautiful planet. Let's all welcome my favorite, your favorite, everybody's favorite, Alia Bhatt!
Why are you leaving?
तू इतनी हॉट लग रही है कि कुछ हो रहा है मेरे को
Ranveer, come back. I'm sorry, I'm just right now a little emotional because of what you said right now. I immediately started. Anyway, thank you so much, guys, for being here today. This is such a big day. We are all so nervous, emotional. Like it's such a big day for us. This has been such a long journey. And I know it's like we would have loved to have everybody over here, but because of COVID, like Ayan said, we had to keep the numbers tight. But seeing all your happy, smiling faces, although I really can't see your faces because of your mask, but through your eyes, it really means a lot. Like I'm shaking right now.
So Ali, how are you feeling? अंदर से feeling क्या महसूस हो रही है?
अंदर से feeling, I mean, it's too much. मैं बहुत इमोशनल हूँ. It's overwhelming. It's exciting.
इतना क्या, तू तो पोस्टर में भी नहीं है अभी तक. मतलब तो उसका पोस्टर आने वाला है. Good things, great things take time. And so why you feeling so emotional?
Because you're on the poster, na baby. Of course, I'll be emotional. No, also because it's a big moment. Okay, so Ranveer and I and Ayan and actually the team of Brahmastra, we've been talking about this day for 4 years. कि एक दिन हमारा फिर poster launch होगा, trailer launch होगा, दुनिया को हम film दिखाएंगे. It's going to be like, when will that journey happen? We used to keep talking about it. And अब जब हम यहाँ हैं, I can't help but go back to when it all started.
When did it start? Do you even remember when it started?
Do you remember when it started?
I clearly remember when it
What
started.
do you remember? Acha, now you're showing so much this thing. Tell me the first day. I'm not talking about shoot. First day we started work on Brahmastra.
So you mean the first day that we started?
Yes, that we start.
2017, 1st of Jan, Israel, Tel Aviv. And I know there's a picture on your Instagram also that you put the next morning with a black ganji and a leather jacket, which by the way, she sent it to me 15 minutes before she put it on Instagram.
Started what?
Yeah, started what?
देख भाई, मैं तेरे को भस्म कर दूंगा. The power of fire.
Okay, you remember.
Of course I remember.
Well done. I don't know what to say. I love you too. Okay, should we? I really want to start talking to all of you all. Should we do the questions?
But before we, Alia, like I've been hearing, and all you guys have also been hearing. What is this new thing of RRR and this letter R? R से क्या relationship है तेरा? What is R?
What is R?
Ah.
What are you asking me?
I said, what is R? Why do these people keep asking me? जवाब दो.
क्या जवाब दूँ?
जो भी सही है, जो भी truth है.
रोहित शेट्टी.
ट्रूथ ये है कि आर मेरे लाइफ का सबसे बड़ा नंबर 8 है. What does A mean to you?
A means Amitabh Bachchan. No, in all seriousness, A means Ayan Mukherjee. Let's call Ayan here. We're missing
We
it.
should
Where is
call
Ayan?
Ayan, yeah.
Ayan!
Ayan,
I think Ayan has fainted. He's been so
there
overwhelmed
he's
by
come back.
this.
Okay,
How many of you want to see Ayan doing Balam Pichkari steps?
Of course you know the step.
Sing! Balam Pichkari.
तूने मुझे मारी कि सीधी सादी चोरी शराबी हो गई कि जीन्स पहन के जो तूने मारा ढोका तो लड्डू पड़ोसन की भाभी. I can't believe I know this step. I wasn't even in the film. I still know the step exactly.
मेरा काम ये थोड़ी है. Behind the scenes काम है मेरा. Exactly, right?
तो Ayan, अभी क्या करना है? Now we are here. This moment your poster has released.
Big
What's
hug,
the
guys,
feeling?
first.
Let's all.
Acha, first can I ask you guys one question? How did you like the motion poster, honestly? How is it? It looked like a magnum opus to you. Let me take some reactions now. I really want to know what you felt. It's good.
Hollywood level.
Slowly, slowly.
It's going to next MCU.
Was it difficult? Did they bully you at all?
because you were joining.
अरे
this
इसको
gang.
कोई bully
ये
नहीं कर
नानी
सकता.
मना है किसी को.
Impossible.
So she the bully.
No, I'm not a bully, but they didn't bully me.
Okay.
Huh? She's no, I'm not the. Yeah, I would.
Yeah,
like to be-
Alia's the boss.
Also, I think they really like listening to me speak. They enjoy it also because sometimes I say silly things and they get entertained by it. But there's only one boss on set and that is Ayan. When Ayan is standing and talking, we like it that way. He runs the set. He's screaming on the mic, he's jumping on rocks, he's rolling on the floor, he's doing everything. He doesn't sit the whole day. Like Ayan is just running the set and we like to be there, We're like his...
This is only 50% true, let me tell you. Before we came out today, Alia was like, Ranbir will stand there, Ayan will stand here, Dolly Mantra will stand there. So it's a collaboration of bossiness.
Ayan is right.
That's true. Actually, I would
It's
say
a
number 1, number
collaboration.
2 and number 100.
Oh, number 100.
My little saint. He doesn't say anything.
Alright, these are the questions जो हमको we found from the internet, but you guys asked some very interesting ones. और आप लोगों ने शुरुआत में you created that आपने
Imagine we
अपने
have the question.
ये सवाल डाले थे in the bowl, so let's bring that up. ये आपके सवाल हैं जो आप लोगों ने दिए हैं जो आज यहाँ पर आए हैं.
अपने सवालों के लिए ताली बजा लो.
क्या बढ़िया कलर
I
कोऑर्डिनेटेड
hope
है.
आपने अच्छे questions
बहुत
पूछे.
बढ़िया, बहुत बढ़िया. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Thanks for so one question each for all three of you. Actually, there are more, but अभी देखते हैं किसकी किस्मत
So
चमकती
the
है.
funny, not the funny thing, but the fun thing is,
I want this whole box. I'm going to take all these questions home. Have you all left your numbers and all in this? If you had, we would have sent you all
Why don't you
answers.
leave your number?
Brief wasn't
On your
written
phone.
में. ये missed opportunity है.
so who's answering first?
I think Aya, can we start with? You want to start with?
Ladies
Aya?
first, let Alia go again.
Okay, Alia, go for it.
Thank you so much.
Thank you guys.
Can
I picked up.
Oh, you picked up. Okay, go.
Can you hold? Okay, this is not a question but a statement, but I'll still read it because it's sweet. It's from Sia. I love you, Alia. You're the best, prettiest, hottest girl. I love you. Sia,
Sia, are you there?
Sia,
Sia is
thank you
there?
so much. No one's ever called me hottest, prettiest, and best in the same sentence. Thank you. Have you ever called me hottest, prettiest, and sweetest in the same sentence?
not yet.
Yeah. Okay. Ishita has asked a question. You are more than a star. Movie choices are the best. Can't wait to see Garuba. Love you, Alia. Okay, again, not a question. But love you. Thank you so much. This could go on the whole evening.
तीन है अभी ना.
तीन रखते हैं.
Alia Bhatt, thank you for constantly inspiring me to be confident. You are a beautiful actor and may you always remain the same. From Shirish Shrishti, your note.
Thank
What's
you
your name?
so much, love. How sweet. Okay.
ठीक है, I'm
I
taking
think
a
you
question.
take over.
Yeah, it's time.
Now, Ayan's turn.
Thank you so much.
ये YGHD का क्वेश्चन है. आपको सुनना है आंसर? How was your experience shooting YGHD? Saira. मैं भूल गया इतने सालों में सब कुछ भूल गया मैं. Wake up said YGHD. बिल्कुल मेरे को स्टेप्स भी याद नहीं है गानों के. कुछ भी सब कुछ भूल गया मैं.
आप सिर्फ एक चीज याद है क्या?
Okay, next question.
Let's take your question now.
Okay, one by one. Ranbir's.
Okay, this is from Sia who says, I have come to meet you. I love you. You're the best. Where's Sia? Sia, I love you.
अरे सिया की क्या किस्मत है? मतलब
I'll
पूरी
keep this with me. Oh. Ranbir, when will you marry Alia? Or someone else? By Garima Jain. Garima, hi. Well, haven't we seen a lot of people getting married in the last 1 year? I think we should be happy with that. हमारी कब होगी?
You're asking me.
I'm asking him, हमारी कब होगी?
आज के लिए एक ही डेट काफी है. ब्रह्मास्त्र की रिलीज डेट. You know, let's wait.
Yeah, of course.
Just let me this to Ranveer. Thank you for giving us beautiful and memorable movies. Thank you for constantly inspiring me. May God bless you with a lot of happiness and love always. From Stuti. Stuti, I love you. Thank you so much.
Wow, Sia and Stuti have gotten really both
ये
questions.
सारी वर्णियां उन्होंने क्यों नहीं भरी? बहुत ही कमाल है दोनों की.
Ayan, you want to ask one more question? Answer one more question?
Ranveer is enjoying this thing.
Yeah, Ranveer is going for it.
नहीं, एक चलो.
Guys, there's a lot of love in this. Thank you so much for the questions. You only sing that?
Ah, there you go. Ryan, I think they deserve to actually come and meet you, but उनको तो यहाँ पर stage पे नहीं बुला सकते.
So, let's move to that stage where we can come and say hi.
Wow.
But what we will do is, I want to take one really nice picture of all of us, so we always remember this moment where we started the Brahmastra journey. So I want to take a selfie or something with everybody. Can we arrange for that?
Wow.
Also, listen, for this picture, like how all of you are here, we also have some key people from our team who've been working very hard, and honestly, they do all the work, to make it. So we'll include them in the picture as well. So why don't you all come in? Kabir, Amar, Amrita, come. We'll all take this picture together. वो selfie stick किधर है? I need my phone for it. My phone is phone Kabir. Everybody at the back, the Brahmastra team, please come. We should all take this picture together. Till that time, we'll just talk to you till everybody comes. 5 minutes it'll take. I think we can go off the live stream. Ji, bolo. Your phone. I have to take it from my phone. अरे मेरा एकदम updated iPhone है. It has a better camera. Kabir, I want my phone. No, it's on my phone. Get my phone from wherever. It'll take a moment. Ask her to rush it. You have to give us a moment because my phone was loading the unit outside somewhere. Okay, fine. Come guys. Everyone, come. Let's. ठीक है, Kabir, it's your kismat. We'll use your phone. Come, where's my phone? ठीक है. Come, give it to me. Come. Okay. Okay, that picture is good. Rashi, come here. Come in the pit, guys. Amrita, Shiti, come in this pit. Okay, so we'll do one like this. Acha, but keep your... Okay. Okay. How do I click it? Huh? I have to click it, yeah?
Okay, Ayan is struggling. Okay. Fine. One last, this side. That is great, thank you. Yeah, okay.